Hi guys, how are you today? This is Joyce from RinPac. Welcome to our channel.
When it comes to packaging, glass isn't just a preference. It's a statement. Glass jars signal quality, freshness, and a premium product experience. Our collection of child-resistant glass jars gives operators access to one of the most versatile and professional packaging formats in the industry at wholesale bulk pricing. That makes the premium feel accessible. RinPac brings you custom child-resistant glass jars made from high-quality and durable materials that promote the optimal protection of your products inside, while convenient for adults to use. These personalized jars prevent tiny fingers from getting in with secure, child-resistant closure options. These child-proof containers not only provide optimal protection, but also attract customers with their aesthetic appeal.
Please feel free to contact us and get more info. See you next time. Bye.